ચક્રવાત રેમલ પર ડીઆઈજી મોહસિન સાહિદી શું કહી રહ્યા છે જુઓ વિડિયો.
The current information that we have from the IMD is that the severe cyclonic storm has now transformed into a cyclonic storm. The wind speed, which was earlier about 110 to 120 during landfall, now it has come down to 60 to 70 with gusting of 80. So that's a big relief. And it is expected that by evening today, this will further change into a deep depression.
Is there any information about loss of lives and damage of properties?
The information that we have from the SEOC through MHA is that one death has taken place in Kolkata due to wall collapse, and there have been uprooting of trees due to rains and heavy winds, and that the restoration work is under progress. NDRF teams are deployed, 14 teams are deployed in major affected areas in the state, and besides 6 SDRF teams are also deployed to assist. So the restoration work is in progress along with coordination with the state agencies.
Is there any particular areas which are affected specifically after the landfall of this cyclone?
The information that we have is that the most affected districts are the South 24 Pargana, East Mednipur, Calcutta. These are the focus areas, and the restoration work is also now prioritized in these areas.
Is there any information that it will move further to any other state like Tripura or somewhere else, Odisha?
The path of the cyclone is, of course, it is defined, but after landfall, what happens is that the speed comes down, and then, as you know, it has transformed into a cyclonic storm, and then late in the evening, it will be further transformed into a deep depression. So the wind speed will not be that much damaging or in a what you call that the destruction would not be that much. So, but still there would be the alert is there to take care about the rains which may cause some damage.
Apart from 14 teams in West Bengal, there are other teams deployed somewhere else also?
We have one team in Tripura just as a precautionary measure, and they are deployed there.